Hey guys, Coach Todd here, making a video today for my personally sponsored coaches. And you know, one of the real cool things about me being a coach is the amount of people that I get to help change their life. And one of the biggest contributing factors in me being able to reach those people is having a website like rippedclub.net. And you know, when coaches sign up on my team, they ask a lot of questions about getting a website started, and it can be really overwhelming, and it can also be very complicated. And so I wanted to provide my coaches in this video with a resource that you can use to get you a website up and running, available to the public in less than 10 minutes. Of course, you are going to need to add content to that, sort of in the way of blog posts and whatnot, and that takes time to build. But the point is, you can get a website up and running in less than 10 minutes. It's completely search engine optimization ready, and there's a number of things you can do to customize this website using this resource. So I want to go ahead, get right into it, and show you guys how you can develop your website in less than 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you some real neat features that you're going to want to include in your website. So let's take a look now. Hey guys, so here is the website you're going to want to go to. It's www.weebly.com, and this is, like it says on the screen, the easiest way to create a website. You can do it in under 10 minutes. All you're going to do, you're going to enter your full name, email address, create a password, and sign up. It's completely free. So I've already created an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And if you like, you can check out a website that I've already created using Weebly. It's called resetcleansereview.com. Incredibly simple. Like I said, this is very intuitive. But let's go ahead and get into creating a new website from scratch. So you can see here, I'm just going to add site, and what do I want my website to be called? And I'm just going to say I want it to be called I Got Ripped. So it's a personal website. Click continue, and if you want it completely free, you're going to use this top bar. It's going to add a subdomain of .weebly.com. So basically my website would be igotripped.weebly.com, and you can see that that's available. Now this is the completely free version. What I recommend doing is going to a website like GoDaddy.com and purchasing a URL. So I would go to GoDaddy.com and see if igotripped.com was available, which I'm sure it's not. But that's what you're going to want to do. I purchased resetcleansereview.com for $12.99. Very affordable. And so if that were the case, you owned a domain name, you purchased it from somewhere like GoDaddy.com, you would come down here to use a domain that you already know, and you would type that in, igotripped.com, and click continue. But since we're making the completely free version, you're going to just want to use the subdomain of Weebly.com. So go ahead and click continue, and that'll load up here. So first thing, I'm going to go through these tabs up here. There's the elements. Now elements are what's going to be included in the body of your website. So if I wanted, these elements are pretty self-explanatory. If I want a paragraph with a title, you simply click it and you drag and drop it down into your website. And you can see I can type in welcome to I got ripped.com, and then I can add some the body of that text there. And like I said, drag and drop. It's extremely intuitive. You can also delete it just as fast. So you have quite a few options up here. You can do a title with a picture, and I can go into Rip Club, results photos. We'll go to a day 90 picture, and we'll go to an angry face Todd.
So you can see you can add photos that quick. These photos are completely adjustable by just clicking this little resize image box and dragging. And of course you have your title text and your body text. You can also just do a plain title, a paragraph, and if you want to add video, they try and get you to sign up. They try and get you to sign up for the pro version, which costs money, but I found a workaround. If you want to add video to your website, you can use the custom HTML, and then let's go ahead and go to YouTube real quick, and I'm just gonna snag a random video from my channel here, and I'm gonna insert it into the website there. So let's do the Body Beast sneak preview video I made. Just like you would share a video on Twitter or Facebook, same thing for this website. You click share and you snag the embedded text. So we'll go ahead and grab that, Control C, I'll copy that, and down here under custom HTML, if you know a little bit of HTML coding, that's how you center a video or anything. And then when I click out of that, you'll see my video is now in the body of my page. So that's how you enter a video without having to pay to upgrade to the pro version of Weebly. Some of the other features you're going to want to select right off the bat are themes, and you can go through, and there are tons of themes. See, you can edit the header image up here, but there are just tons and tons of themes to choose from. So go ahead and choose the one that best suits you. I like the black carbon fiber, like brushed aluminum type look stuff. So that's what I chose. That's what I like to do here. So we'll go ahead and go with this. And then when you get into adding pages to your website, let's say you want to add a page that tells people about you. So about your journey, how you got into fitness, where you came from, that sort of thing. If you come into pages, you simply add a page, and we'll call that page About Me. And go ahead and save the settings, and if you see, now in the header we now have an About Me page. So it's that simple, and just like the About Me, you simply drag and drop whatever elements you want down into there and create your content. When we go back to pages, let's say I want to create a page, a sub page underneath that. I would click Add Page again, and let's call we'll just say My P90X Journey. Now, if I want this to be a sub page under About Me, all you do, well, here, let me save the settings and go back to pages. You simply click. You see how you can drag these pages anywhere. You simply drag it under the main page that you want it, and then drag it to the right just a little bit, and you can see this jog line. You now have created a sub page. So when you go back to your main site, you'll see when I hover over About Me, there is an additional page called My P90X Journey. You can click on that. Again, start adding content, and it's just that simple. Like I said, extremely intuitive. So one of the things that I had mentioned is that this is completely ready for Google search engine optimization, and you can do that for your main page, your site description, some keywords that you want to rank for in Google, and your footer and header code. This is like where you would enter, like it says here, a Google Analytics tracking code, so that you can tell how many people are visiting your website and whatnot. So you can do that, but also under each page, you can go into advanced settings and enter. You're going to want to do this. Enter a page title, the description of your page, and some keywords that are included both in your title and description. We could go off into Google SEO stuff all day long, but that's not the point of this video. I'm just trying to show you guys how to get a website up and running. So that's the basics of it, guys. You can choose your theme under the Designs tab. I showed you how to add content here. You can drop and drag certain elements into your pages. I showed you how to create subpages. You can even create your blog. You can see there I just created a blog. I click that and you can create a new post, and I'll say P90X review. Okay, and then again you just drag and drop your elements into your blog post and save to drafts. Well, I'll bring that up and I'll say publish live. There we go. And there's my first blog post. So it's that simple, guys. You can have your website up and running in less than 10 minutes with a cool design. You can create your own logo that you can upload from your computer. You don't have to use this default text for your title. You can come up with a cool logo, so that's kind of neat. And this is the quickest way to get your website up and running and to give people a place to go to where they can either buy product, make you their free coach, and where you can provide value to your team members. So I hope this was informative, and if you guys have any questions, just go ahead, post them in the comments below, or go ahead and email me at coachtodd@rippedclub.net, and I will be talking to you guys soon. I'll see you on the inside. Bye now.